What if every life ends the same way? No matter how long it lasts, no matter what is built, it ends with the same line. And then, he died. This chapter feels different. No battles, no dramatic events, just names, generations, time passing. At first glance, it looks like a record, but if you listen closely, there's a pattern hidden inside it. Adam lived 930 years. Seth lived 912. Enoch, Kenan, Mahalalel. Generations rise and pass. Long lives. Full years. Time stretching far beyond what we know. But every life moves toward the same ending. And then it appears. Again. And again. And he died. It repeats like a drumbeat. Steady. Unavoidable. No matter the name. No matter the years. The same ending. Over. And over again. Hundreds of years. Can you imagine that? Watching generations grow and disappear over centuries. Time wasn't short. Life wasn't rushed. And still, it ended the same way. Which raises a question. If time was never the problem, then what was? The answer goes back to the beginning, to Eden, to the moment everything changed. Because death was never part of the original design. It entered later, quietly, but completely. And now, it touches every generation. But then, something unexpected happens. One name breaks the pattern. Enoch. He lived 365 years. And then the line changes. Not he died, but something else. Enoch walked with God. And then, he was no more. Because God took him. No death recorded. No ending like the others. Just gone. Different. To walk with God is not a moment. It's a direction. A consistent movement. A relationship. While the world around him followed one pattern, Enoch followed another. And somehow, that changed his ending. Now there are two patterns. One repeats, life, and then death. The other is rare, walk, and something changes. This isn't just history. It's a contrast. A question placed inside the story. Because even now, the same reality exists. Time moves. Life fills up. Years pass. And the question remains the same. Is life just something we go through until it ends? Or is there something more? Something different? The generations continue. Names are added. Time moves forward. But something else is building. Slowly. Silently. The world is not getting better. It's moving towards something. Something that will soon reach a breaking point. So tell me, do you think life is just about how long you live? Or how you walk? Because what comes next will change everything.